Good morning, Lake Providence Church family and friends. This is Dr. Linda Plummer Ward with another health ministry update, the last one for the year. Well, we want to welcome you and hopefully give you just a couple of pointers. As of Saturday, December 19th, Tennessee is the worst state in the country for average daily cases per 100,000. All the more reason for us to be particularly vigilant. Now, in order for us to help get a handle on if we've been exposed and if we are infected, the FDA has given emergency authorization use for home COVID test. Now, there's two kinds. There's a prescription kind and there's an over-the-counter kind that does not require prescription. The prescription test allows you to do the sample at home, but the sample has to then be sent to a lab, and the lab will send you the result. That takes a couple of days. The over-the-counter test works kind of like a pregnancy test, where you take the sample at home and you result it at home. So you get your result in a matter of minutes. The thing to remember with these tests is they are antigen tests, so they can have false positives and false negatives. If you get a positive test, then it needs to be verified with a PCR test. And of course, the PCR is the one we're most familiar with. It goes into the nose all the way back to the throat. The test that we're talking about for home don't go back that far, but they go past the nostril into what's called the turbinates. So there is a difference, and it's very important that the tests are done correctly. Now, the news is full of information about the vaccines. And yes, the Pfizer vaccine is here and it is being administered. Right now, frontliners, healthcare providers, and next, nursing homes will be given the vaccine. It's not expected that the vaccine will be given to the general public before spring. The second mRNA vaccine from Moderna is also going to be available this week. Just in the last couple of days, it also got emergency use authorization approval from the FDA. Now, Christmas is less than a week away. Imagine that. This has been a year. But we truly hope that you have a merry and joyous, but safe and non-traditional celebration of Christ's birth. We ask that you continue safe practices so that this season will indeed be one of love, joy, faith, peace, and hope. So here are your reminders. Wear a mask, wash your hands, watch your distance, gather but avoid crowds. And when gathering, make sure it's more open spaces with good ventilation and circulation of air from the outside. Use masks that fit so that you don't have to continually put your hands up to your face to adjust it. Gather only with those members of your household. Hopefully these tips will help to keep you safe, to keep you healthy, and in the meantime, do stay prayed up. The Lake Providence Health Ministry wishes you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.